By equation 2, m is equal to tan beta upon tan alpha. In triangle A double dash O2 B double dash, tan beta is equal to A2 double dash B2 double dash upon O2 B double dash. O2 B double dash. In triangle MO2 B double dash, tan alpha is equal to MO2 upon O2 B double dash. But by diagram, MO2 is equal to AB, hence tan alpha is equal to AB upon O2 B double dash. Putting this value in equation 1, we get M is equal to, first we put the value of tan beta A double dash B double dash O2 B double dash into O2 B double dash upon AB. The equation 4 became A double dash B double dash upon AB. This is the value of magnifying power. It may comes in a question. It is the height, it is the ratio of the height of final image to the height of an object. By equation 4, M is equal to A double dash B double dash upon AB. In this equation, we multiplied and divide the height of the image formed by the object A dash B dash divided by A dash B dash. Now we arrange this. M is equal to A dash B dash upon AB into A double dash B double dash upon A dash B dash. Here A dash B dash upon AB is the magnifying power of objective lens, and A double dash B double dash upon A dash B dash is the magnifying power of the eye lens. So M is equal to MO into ME. Magnifying power of the compound microscope is the product in between the magnifying power of the objective lens and the magnifying power of the eye lens. Now we put this magnifying power in terms of U and V. So VO is the image distance of objective lens, UO is the object distance of objective lens, V is the image distance of eye lens, and U is the object distance of eye lens. This comes in another relation, equation number 5. We know that let focal length of the eye lens is FE. Focal length of the eye lens. Now we use the lens equation 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. 1 upon Fe, here we take a common the term, this is, here we take a term common, is 1 upon V. So this became 1 minus V upon U. 1 minus V E upon UE is equal to VE upon FE. This is E. VE upon UE is equal to 1 minus VE upon FE. If the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, it means VE is equal to minus D. Then VE upon UE is equal to 1 plus D upon FE. We put this value in equation 5 and we get the relation M is equal to VO upon UO 1 plus D upon FE. Here the UO is negative, so the magnification comes negative. This shows the image form is real and virtual. But actually it is not a real and inverted. But actually it is not real and inverted. Now the last is the length of the tube. It is the distance between eye lens and objective lens. By the diagram, it is the sum of VO plus UE. We write U in modulus because we take UE positive here. We know that the objective lens, object distance is always negative, so we put modulus over here in the formula. This represents we take the value to be positive.